Hi there guys, welcome to Vapourcore London's YouTube channel. I'm the LDN Vapor and today I'm bringing you one of Innokin's latest sub-ohm kits. So guys, today I'm presenting you with the Kroma A kit. Straight off, the Kroma A kit comes with the Kroma A mod and it comes with the brand new Isub B tank, which is of course a sub-ohm tank. Guys, let me just give it a quick vape to show you how it vapes. So it comes with a pre-installed Plex 3D coil, which of course is their own patented technology of mesh coils. So guys, this currently is sitting at 0.3 ohms with 40 watts of power going through it with the airflow wide open. Let's take a vape and show you how it performs. Whew. And as you can see there guys, plenty of vapor, and the flavor I've just gotten off the tank is actually really intense, and it is on the widest airflow setting. And of course, as we know, the lower you go on the airflow and the tighter it is, the more flavor and pungent, and that nicotine hit is extra. So I'm quite impressed by that first vape. Guys, let's talk about the mod straight away. The mod itself can go up to 75 watts. The only thing is it doesn't do round robin, that I've actually just noticed. So yeah, once you hit that 75 watts, you have to go down again to get a lower wattage. It won't round robin back to 0 and then back up to 75 again. Of course, the Kroma A is an internally built battery, so you don't have to purchase the 18650 or the 21700 batteries. It is 2000 milliamp in size, so guys, you're gonna get loads of vape time from this mod. Then of course, coming up to the tank, they use the Isub B tank, which is the latest version of the tank. It uses the brand new Plex 3D mesh coils, which of course have been patented by Innokin themselves. And honestly, these coils, we've been using them for the past couple of months here at Vapourcore, and we definitely find these are an improvement and they do last a lot longer. So guys, if you've never tried 3D Plex coils or mesh coils, we do recommend these. So team, how do we change the coil of the Isub B tank and how to replace the glass? Make sure you're holding the glass section and bottom base, just like so. And then with your other hand, grab the bottom base and anti-clockwise unscrew. The base will come off, showing you your coil, which is just plugged into the tank. So you simply grab your coil end and literally the Isub B Plex 3D coil comes out. The base of this tank is just like the T18E and the T20S kits, where you have these straight grooves. So when you insert your coil, just make sure those grooves are lined up just like so, and then the coil should just fit there flush, just like so. So then once that's done, grab your base again guys, simply put it over the coil and then start clockwise screwing it back on until it's tightened, just like so. And there you have it. That is how you would change your coil. Now, to change the glass or to fill the tank up, simply guys, grab your glass section and the bottom metal part, just like so, and then grab that top section and simply anti-clockwise unscrew it off again. Guys, as you do this, you'll notice this middle ring out here actually floats, and this is because this is spring loaded, and it was the technology we're talking about, anti-flooding. So as soon as that top cap comes off, that tank springs up the top there, i.e. stopping the liquid from flooding into that coil. And then again, of course, when you put it in, we are using Humble Pie, as we've just had them in on a guest range video. So guys, Humble Pie, rhubarb and custard, put it in that center reservoir between the floating channel and the glass, and simply fill it right up to the brim. making sure you don't just hit that glass off the edge then it pops off, otherwise you will get a leak, guys. So fill it up right to the top there, and there you have it, that's filled. So guys, now grab your top section here, put that top cap on the tank there, push it down slightly, you will feel the resistance, and then simply start screwing it on, just like so, and there we go. We haven't cross-threaded it, and it's threaded buttery smooth, and there you have it, guys. That is ready to vape. So of course, I'll just open up the airflow to show you. There are your 4 airflow slots on one side and on the other, with the Innokin engraving on the side there on the airflow ring. So guys, put your tank down, let it sit for a good 5 minutes so the coil wicks to prevent the coil from burning early on, and that is it. So guys, as you can see on this side, you have a screen there. So you have your fire button, your 2 up and down for positive wattage and negative, so you're minusing and plussing on your watts, and there's your micro USB charging right at the bottom there. If I click the fire button, you should see that the screen should tell me 3 clicks, there we go, off. 3 clicks to turn on and off. So 1, 2, 3, and now the device is on, showing us 40 watts. Just put the Isub B tank on the Kroma A. Now, as you can see, it's asked me, is it the same coil, nickel, titanium? And you simply can scroll through with the minus and plus buttons back and forth, just like so. This time, I'm gonna go to wattage because it's not the same coil. Click the fire button, and there we go. It's gone on to the watts. Now, to get it in the different modes, all you simply have to do is press the fire button with the positive button and hold them down. So, first of all, there's wattage mode, then there's nickel, titanium, stainless steel, and then we're back onto watts. And simply unclick the buttons and you're back onto that wattage. So, last thing to turn the device off, 1, 2, 3 quick clicks, and there we go. The device is off. So, starting off with the Kroma A mod, simple to use, it's so well manufactured, the styling of it. I absolutely love the feel of the palm, and it also has a decent weight to it, especially with the tank. Not too heavy and not too light. Now, pros and cons with the tank itself. I honestly don't have any cons with this. I really love the new technology with that floating center barrel because it hasn't flooded our coils, and we have seen that in previous tanks. So guys, as an overall, what a great sub-ohm kit for you guys out there that want to blow those clouds and get full on flavor. Guys, that is it from me, the LDN Vapor and Vapourcore. Honestly, a top sub-ohm kit and at a great price point. So guys, come into stores and take a look. Again, if you thought this video was beneficial, please like and share it, and if you want to see all the latest things we've got coming out, please subscribe to the channel now. And until next time guys, stay off those cigs and vape on.